and now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Cha-Cha-Cha silver level choreography with count. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1. Very good, and now let's look at same Cha-Cha choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take open hold and we start with preparation movement, which is forward lock. Now we continue with first 5 steps of a curl with lady spiral, and we continue with Aida. This version is with a rock, then chasse to left, and spot turn. And we continue with basic with man's Ronde chasse and ladies forward lock into natural top, first 5 steps. From here we dance close hip twist, which we end classically in fan position. Very good. Let's look from another angle. So we start with lock step forward into first 5 steps of a curl with lady spiral action. Then we continue to Aida or fallaway. This version is with side rock and chasse to left. And then spot turn for both dancers. Then we dance basic with man's Ronde chasse and ladies lock step, continued by natural top. From here we dance close hip twist, which we finish classically in fan position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.